I am equal parts excited and terrified. Mostly because this could either be really good or really bad. So honestly, also, sorry my hair is wet, but here we are. Damp, I should say. So, I just got a package in the mail from Urban Revivo, and I think that's how you say it. This is a company that I have never purchased anything from before, and I bought 4 things. I had already actually had my eye on this company after I did my little summer workwear video, and one of my recommendations was wearing a shirt dress, and they had a really adorable shirt dress that was like the perfect Jacquemus dupe, and so I never heard of it before, so I clicked in and I was like, okay. And then what really sealed the deal is I was watching a Patricia Bright video, and she had gotten a bunch of dresses from there and even had a little discount code, which I think should still work. I will leave it below. And yeah, so I thought, why not? It's like a pretty, well, very good price point. And, you know, sometimes you gotta take a little risk to get a little reward in life. So, and honestly, I want it to be fall. I think these are really great transitional pieces for like the September, October weather where it's not super cold, but just a good fall outfit. So I thought I would see how this brand is and dive right in. One warning, they have a lot of options. So I'll try to like leave a little edit below of some of my favorite things, because there's a few good things and there's a lot of bad things in my mind, things that I would wear. I should phrase it as that. Everyone's style is different, so to each their own. But things that I would wear, there weren't a lot. So I will definitely share the ones that I would wear below. But let's dive right into it. God. Opening? Oh, I'm like narrating this. Oh my goodness. This is the black shirt dress that I talked about in my summer workwear video, which I will link above and below. Also, this is a great reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers, which is super exciting. Thank you. Okay. Oh. This has like a windbreaker material kind of feel to it. I'm not upset about it though, not gonna lie, for summer. Yeah, it reminds me of a windbreaker. Based on eyeballing these sizes, I do think these are gonna fit me pretty well. I can usually tell that just by looking at something. Love the pointy collar. Oh my God, I can't wait to try this on. Oh my gosh. And here, this is the Jacquemus dupe. I will say it fits. Like, it's good. There's a little bit of bunching, which you can't really see in this light, but around the hip area. It also might be because I'm not wearing like the right underwear. I'm honestly wearing like period underwear. I'm wearing my things. And yeah, but you can't really get a good grasp of the detail from here, but it is really, really nice. Yeah, such a good Jacquemus dupe. It has this weird like button thing though that I think is meant to like attach. So if you want to show less of the belly, this really brings the two together completely so that you don't have any really skin showing, which is nice. I would love this top, honestly, in just a top. It's a really nice fabric. Like I said before, it's kind of like a windbreaker-y feel. And I probably could have listened to the directions and gotten this in a medium. They do tell you like what the model's wearing, and I think the model, was the model wearing a medium? Potentially, I think so. Put them on with some heels, because this is more of like a sexy dress up. But I mean, like, the small definitely fits. It's just a little bit tighter than I'm used to wearing. And like I said, it's got some bunching here that probably wouldn't be there if I got the medium. So I will say the sizing on their website, very true to size. It's good. I'm also worried if this, sorry if my mirror's like dirty. It's gross. But yeah, so I probably would have gone with the medium in this one. Everything else I got in a small, and I think it fits super well and very true to size. I do think this is still super cute though, and I will wear it as a small and it's fine. Probably just wear better underwear with it. But yeah, this is a great like summer hangout. Be very cute with my little Bottega flats as well, my little bag. So yeah, this was a winner. I mean, it's not my favorite of the bunch, but which is funny because I thought it would be, but I really like it still. It's very, very, it looks way better quality than the price point, I will say. Got a little bit of color, but I feel like a blue is definitely a neutral. Like it's not like a yellow or something like that. So this is a shirt dress. You can see kind of a theme here emerging. This is a shirt dress, short sleeves. So like I said, a good transitional piece. Ooh, this one really needs a steam. Cute. Could be a little see-through. I might have to wear a slip with this, but like that's expected for a $48 dress. Wow, that's super cute. Okay, I did not think that I was gonna like this as much as I do. I mean, obviously, once again, ignore the fact I haven't steamed it. I mean, this is just so easy breezy, I'm not gonna lie. And I really loved pairing them with my new little Gucci loafers that I grabbed from the Real. I love pairing like a more feminine, fun little silhouette with the more like masculine loafer. I actually tried this on with a blazer as well and it looks so good. Honestly, it's just so lightweight and so comfortable. And I really don't, it's not like that see-through. Like I wouldn't really mind wearing it out without a slip, to be honest, as I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, I just love a good shirt dress. I don't know about you guys. It just feels so good and light and airy. Yeah, it's such a good transitional piece. Like I said, I think it's so lovely with a black blazer over it or like a black wool coat or even a little vest that I have. And then pairing it with, I mean, obviously you could easily put this with tights. Oh, so cute. I will say, I've been having trouble figuring out what to wear my Supergas with, and now every single one of these dresses looks so good with them. So I'm like, hello, I should have had these all summer long. Now I feel like I've got a great little summer outfit too. Oh, so good. This one I'm really excited about. So this is kind of, I'm very into these like Prada kind of inspired things. Honestly, that's kind of the theme of this haul, is like fake Prada in a way. And this is just a really gorgeous cream little partial zip up with a collar. I think everything I purchased in this haul has a collar. So yeah, definitely going for that like preppy, minimalistic, chic look. I feel like that's gonna be my look for fall. Really feeling that. Really like this dress. I think this might be my favorite when I try them on. This is so cute. It actually feels really nice. I love that it's like not super fitted. Also, I will steam it, don't worry. It's a good length, so it is longer than the fingertips. And I just love this structured collar, this arm situation. I think this is so cute. I like the little zippy things. They're very easy to get in and out of, which is nice. Size small. Everything is made in China, I should say. So it comes directly from China. But honestly, the ship time was really great. I got this stuff within a week of ordering it, which I thought was quite quick, considering it has to like clear customs and make its way across the ocean. Oh, okay. Not gonna lie, the material feels a little bit stiff polyester-esque, but I kind of love that. Like I love a structure in a white shirt. So far, so promising. I am gonna have to steam it. Super wrinkled, but that's okay. Steam it once and then won't deal with it again. Kind of wonder how this stuff is gonna wash. Let's take a look, see this. what is it? It is 65% polyester, 31% viscose, 4% elastane, and apparently the shirt is 100% cotton. Love it. Cool. Okay. Then I take back what I said about it feeling like polyester. Clearly I know nothing about fabrics. Okay. I knew they couldn't all be perfect. This is great. I think it's super cute. Obviously, I love the structure. Little bit of a problem here. It's just super short. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like I wouldn't it's not like unwearable. Especially at this angle, it doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna insert like a little try on side by clip, but oh my God. Yeah, definitely a little shorter than I would like it to be. Would love it if it was like an inch. I actually wonder, I might have the hem taken down. I will say, I think then it would be absolutely perfect. I think it's gonna be great in the fall with like black tights and little boots, because honestly, that's probably how I'd like to wear it anyway, but it is really adorable, I will say. Very, very cute. Definitely probably gonna be more of a fall piece that I layer, just because it is so short. I think, I mean, God, you can almost make it a top, but yeah. I'm gonna play around with how I style this one up, but yeah, definitely a little shorter than I would like it to be. Okay, it's future Marilyn now. Now that I've gotten to have a closer look at everything and tried everything on, I've also kept on the little shirt dress, mostly because I have a nice pocket for my little mic, which is great. And because I didn't really feel like taking it off and putting something else on. But yeah, let me walk through each piece. Biggest takeaways. Really good quality for the price point. Honestly, I'm very surprised, really blown away. I think all of this stuff, once it gets a good steam, is going to look really classic, really expensive, probably gonna have it in my wardrobe for a long time. And second takeaway, everything seems to be pretty true to size. So this sort of jacquemus shirt dress, knockoff of the jacquemus look, they definitely said for my size, like my measurements and stuff, I should probably be a medium. I felt like that was kind of large, and so I ended up going with a small. It would fit, of course, but I did get a little bit of bunching sort of around my hips and stuff. But overall, I just think it's really nice. It's really well made. I don't really need the little button closure thing to like tie the two pieces together, so I might end up just like cutting that off. But I think it's really cute, and I'm definitely gonna wear it out and about in the summer. It's very sweet. I don't think, to be honest, this one is much of like a transitional fall type piece. This is definitely just like a straight up summer dress, in my opinion, just because of like the crop top. I think it's weird to like wear something that has like a cropped stomach area when you have like tights and boots on, personally. So this is the only piece out of everything that I purchased that I'm probably gonna just stick to just wearing in the summer, but I really, really like it. I'm gonna pack it on my vacation soon, which will be fantastic. But yeah, this is great. I love the stiff collar. It's always gonna look really nicely pressed. I also like really buttoning up my collar super tall. I don't know why, I just think that's kind of like a cool look, and I always do that. So yeah, this dress was a big win for me. Styled it up with some cute heels, gonna wear it with some cute little flats potentially on vacation, and obviously it goes well with my Lady Dior bag or even my little Hermes bag. I can also style it down with my little bamboo Gucci bag if I want, but I do like kind of dressing it up for nighttime. It's definitely a fun little summer dress for sure. Okay, next one. This one is a little bit short, I will say. It's a little bit short. I think I might be able to get the hem taken out of it, potentially, maybe. I'm not sure. But overall, I think it's beautiful. I love the deep V in the front. It's an actual, basically like a cropped short-sleeved shirt underneath. So I think it looks really, really nice. For this one, I'm gonna style this definitely for winter. I think it's gonna look fantastic with tights, hopefully make up for a little bit of that shortness. I think it looks so beautiful with like some riding boots, or honestly, even my little Brunello Cucinelli booties that I have. But I think it looks cute even without tights, with just my little flat Gucci loafers. In fact, I'm gonna be pairing my Gucci loafers, or I am pairing my Gucci loafers with a lot of these looks, just because when you have sort of a cute cropped, sometimes more feminine dress, I think having a loafer is really great as well. And it just has that almost like school-esque type vibe. I don't want to say schoolgirl because that sounds gross, but you know what I mean. So yeah, really like the two tones on this one too. I think that, yeah, I just think I'm gonna wear this a lot. Honestly, it'd probably actually look really cute as well with my Supergas in the summer, my little white tennies that I haven't really gotten much of a chance to wear. So we'll be wearing this one for sure. I am just blown away by this little blue number, to be honest. I mean, obviously it's super wrinkled, but I think it's gonna be adorable, and it's so comfortable. I loved pairing this with my little Gucci loafers, and honestly, I think it's gonna look really cute in the winter. Same formula as all of these. Black tights, nice little boots. And I thought this was so cute with my white tennis shoes. Like honestly, it's very summer, very just like playful. I didn't feel any inclination to try to put a belt on it. I love that it's just like open and free. I feel like I don't have a lot of dresses like this in my wardrobe, and every time I'm feeling just like a little bloated or whatever, I don't have anything just like fun and feminine that I can put on. So I'm really excited to have this in my wardrobe. I mean, I think you can see it as I'm wearing these clothes, which ones I'm like really excited about. This was another one, I think honestly, out of all of the pieces, this is the one that just looks the most expensive. This has very like Prada-esque vibes to me. I don't know why. I'm so excited to layer this over this black sort of mango wool coat that I've just ordered that will be in one of my next videos, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think the fabric just feels really nice. I think it actually might have been one of the more expensive ones, but this is gonna be a great one to pair with darker accessories in the winter. And honestly, I really loved it with my just little white Superga tennis shoes. I think it's super cute. I think it looks really nice with my fun little bamboo Gucci bag. So this is kind of an unexpected summer dress. I honestly thought I was gonna just wear this more in the fall and the winter, but I'm really excited to wear this in the summer too. So yeah, overall, that concludes my haul of Urban Revivo. And like I said, I will be including some of my other favorites just because the website can be a little bit overwhelming. You have so many options, but I'm really happy that I took the risk and that I tried out this brand, because I knew Patricia Bright would never lie to me. I know that, but you just never know. So their stuff stays pretty true to size. I will put all the information about the return policy below. Like I mentioned a bunch, I wore a size small and everything. I'm about 5'7", give or take 130 pounds. And yeah, that's what worked for me, but always just check your measurements too. And if you haven't subscribed, please think about doing so. Like I said, I'm really close to 1,000, so it would be really great if you all could help me out. And I will see you in my next video.